Hey guys, my name is Kelly Willard. I'm from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Um, I've been in business for almost 14 years. November will be 14 years this month. Um, I think I have met Courtney about 4 or 5 years ago. The way I met him is where I was on YouTube and just surfing the web, just seeing things about carpet cleaning, and I saw him online, and the guy was speaking the truth about things, and I was mesmerized about what he was talking about. He was talking about pricing. Most guys were hiding stuff and make it a secret and all these type of things, but he was really open to share freely information instead of having these secrets. And I was like, wow, this guy is on a different level. Of course, what attracted me to as well that he was African American. That was the first time I ever seen an African American actually speak wisdom, and that's in that type of and just freely giving that type of information willingly, not feeling like we're in a gang or something like that. And I said, you know what? I need to talk to this guy. I called him, and he said, well, yeah, I do consultation. And he told me a price. I said, price? I wanted free information. But I got off the phone with him, and I was like, wow, I had more respect for him when he told me that it was a price just to talk to him. And I was like, okay, it added value to his service. And I talked to him a couple of days later, consultation, paid with credit card, blah, blah, blah. And we talked for maybe 2 or 3 hours. And I had my notebook ready to go. And I think my notebook stopped writing. I started writing on the notebook because he told me I had to change my price. And I was like, what? I need to change my price? I thought you were going to tell me how to do Google AdWords or do something like that. And he told me I need to change my price, change the structure of my business, because if not, you're going to fail. And I just stopped writing, and I kind of sat back and I said, man, I'm going to lose all these clients. And how can I move forward? So the end of the conversation, got off the phone with him. I was upset with him. I really was. I paid him all this money and he gonna tell me this type of stuff. I didn't want to really hear the truth. But you know what? He told me the truth and I accepted it. I was upset, but I needed to hear that to make a change. And my business has really grown really well. My education is better. Um, Taking a lot of classes. I mean, about 12 years of that, I only had a water restoration certification. That's it. And mainly my business was carpet cleaning, So, but now since I met him, I got a lot of certificates in carpet upholstery. Working on one right now. I'm actually in Raleigh right now, working on rugs, getting certified in that. So actually, I'm wool safe. I never imagined getting this far in my business, and yeah, Courtney basically changed everything, the life of me, saved my family. Um, I mean, be honest with you, I got a nice home. It's a lot of things came with this when I changed my business model just by talking to Courtney. I don't think I would have the things I have if I never took the time and paid the money to talk to him. And again, he really changed the life of our family, the structure of me, and I'm happy to go to my jobs. Where versus when I was doing cheap jobs, I was okay. I mean, or whatever. But now that I'm doing this, I feel like these clients that I have now are different. They have more respect for me, and I'm amazed about how it changed overnight. So if you ever think about this consultation and been contemplating about doing it, just do it. Stop being cheap. It's not going to save you. The old saying, it takes money to make more money, it is true. So if you've been praying about it, about this consultation, and want to talk to Courtney, I say do it and do it now.